ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच इन्द्रियस्येन्द्रियस्यार्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्नवसमागच्छेत् तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ. Third chapter, 34th sloka. So Bhagavan Krishna in the previous sloka told either Jnani or Ajnani, both are working under the influence of three gunas born out of Prakriti. And can you control? Whether control is possible means whether control is possible, whether can you control your true nature. The true nature came from the gunas, dominated gunas, three gunas, which is born out of Prakriti. Here Bhagavan Krishna says one more important message. We, everyone, Jnani and Ajnani, forced to work under the influence of three gunas born out of Prakriti. So everyone are under Ragadvesau of sense control and sense objects, sense organs and sense objects. Each sense organs will be having sense objects, likes and dislikes. In that condition, if you want to improve your status from karmi to karma yogi to jnana yogi to attaining self-knowledge and attaining moksha, can you progress in that path? Bhagavan Krishna says it is not possible. Why? Because the likes and dislikes of sense organs and its sense objects are the main important enemies, or the distraction, or your stoppage for your spiritual growth or your spiritual path or your higher status process. So you will be blocked by, you will be stopped by these two gunas, these two characters. One is likes and dislikes of sense organs. The main is likes and dislikes of sense organs and sense organs objects. Likes and dislikes of sense organs objects means we don't have any control on sense organs and sense objects. So naturally we will be pushed into the very normal way, very normal samsara way. One cannot just come out of from the samsara way. You cannot become a karma yogi. You always will be a karmi, selfish person. You never ever work for the worldly people. You never ever become a karma yogi. When you are not able to become a karma yogi, definitely you cannot become a jnana yogi. When you are not able to become a jnana yogi, you are not able to understand the self-knowledge. If that is not possible, moksham also is not possible. You cannot be free from anything. You will be everything, you will be accumulating. So keeps on, your papam increases, your punyam decreases. So in this janma you never ever get moksham. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. So one should have control on sense organs and sense objects. Also likes and dislikes caused by sense organs, the product of sense objects. because these two are the main enemy for your spiritual growth or for your process of the higher growth. So please be careful about those two. Though it is nature, but you have to have a control on those two. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 35th sloka. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.